Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Accent diesel. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5.5 liters of new diesel engine oil, typically 5W30 or 15W40, and a new oil filter. Slightly warm up your engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more completely. Now let's drain the old oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let the old oil drain completely, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug, install a new crush washer, and securely tighten the drain plug to about 35 Newton meters. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Position your drain pan under the old filter, then use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Be ready for some residual oil. Take your new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it onto the engine until snug. Give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, pour approximately 5.5 liters of the correct diesel engine oil into the engine's fill port. For our final steps, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, checking for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine and wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Now, check the oil level using the dipstick. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Add a small amount of oil if necessary. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil and filter at an authorized recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.